Introducing 550 Blair Mill Road, located in Horsham, Pennsylvania. 550 Blair Mill is a single-story building transforming to meet the growing demand for life sciences in Philadelphia. This unique building features upgraded infrastructure that meets the high demands for life science users. It has convenient access to Pennsylvania Turnpike via Route 611 Interchange and Virginia Drive. The building is within close proximity to restaurants and retailers, as well as notable life science companies. Enjoy a breath of fresh air in our activated courtyard. We also offer the advantage of signage opportunity. Contact our dedicated team of real estate experts to schedule a tour.